Looking for an original 1920s bungalow in historic Kenwood? This wonderful home provides thoroughly modern features while maintaining all the original charm. Let's head inside. Cozy up by the wood-burning fireplace or watch a movie and enjoy the living room that is wired for surround sound. The kitchen is sure to delight the chef and the family and features a thoughtful, efficient layout with plenty of tasteful extras. The dining room is as formal as you need it to be, but casual enough to use every day. It's a great spot for a weeknight meal. All the thoughtful details add up to create a sense of easygoing elegance and make this home perfect for everyday living. The master bedroom is a private, relaxing retreat, while the home's bathroom is tasteful and offers all the amenities you expect. Just imagine hosting your next get-together in this sophisticated and understated outdoor living space. Historic Kenwood is a designated Artist Enclave community that allows artists to live, work, and create within their own home. Hurry, this one won't last long.